Today we're checking out the JJRC 6-wheel drive army truck. Tony here, straight up reviews, and we're getting straight into it. Here it is, JJRC 6-wheel drive army truck, and as you can see up there, just under $50 and a little bit over $50 with shipping. Anyway, it came box slightly crushed but all intact. Let's open the box. Kidding, we all know how to open a box. Here it is, a 6-wheel drive army truck. First off, love the detail, fine details too. Nice squishy rubber tyres, the back that opens up, we've got doors. It's even a manual. It's got speedo, clutch, you name it. Says it can carry 500 grams, half a kilo. We'll give that a test. It's also got a little bonnet, which needs the hand that got to open. And there goes the battery. Box says shock absorbers. Not true. Actually, they're just simple leaf springs. Guess it does the job. Worked in the 40s for it. Why not? True 6-wheel drive. So it's got the 3 differentials. It's a small little motor, and also this is not proportional. So your steering and your speed, you're not going to have control. It's either flat out or stop or hard driving left. That's it. But you can upgrade the servo to proportional. I don't think it's worth it. Just going by the motor and actually test driving it. This is in the Rocket. It's a crawler, very light crawler. Great toy, great for kids, 10, 12 years old. I think it's great. If you're an adult, just a bit of nostalgic driving, why not? Oh, I love it. If I don't drive it, it's definitely going to look good on the shelf. And for the price, you probably wouldn't be able to get a scale model like this. So, and chassis, metal C-channel, great little details. I don't mind it. Underneath you've got your steering trim, which is just mechanical. It's as simple as that. Let's check out the controller. 2.4 gigahertz, no interference from other models. Steering, nice and firm, obviously for the, if you go with the proportional servo for steering. Again, like I said, I wouldn't worry about it. It's not that high end of a vehicle. Little button which turns the speed up and down. Speed, we tested it 7 kilometers an hour. That's in top speed, and in low speed, probably 5 kilometers. You can hardly notice the difference. 2 AA batteries, ready to run. Throw them in, charge the battery, and off you go. Here's the battery. This is just a NiCad 6-volt, 700 milliamp battery pack. You're going to get probably a 15-20 minutes run time, and a USB charger, very basic, and it's taken about an hour to charge this one up. Got a little screwdriver. When I say little, it's little. To take off the wheels, and also under the controller, the battery compartment, there's a little screw. And instruction manual with parts list and upgrades. Again, this is a toy, but it does have the upgrades. So, as you'll see in the video, it's not a road rocket, definitely not a full-on rock crawler, but a bit of fun. So we'll turn it on, and the little LED lights will be flashing. So obviously it's waiting for a bind to the controller, which we'll do right now, and that's simple on-off. And they should stop flashing, and we've got power. So like I said, steering not proportional, so just one slight turn and it's full lock, and also via the speed. That's in high, low. Whoa, yeah, that's not going to go fast. Anyway, we'll see on the other side. Before I go, also comes in a sand colour, which is also quite nice. This is the Q60 model. So they've got a whole range of army vehicles, and I think they look cool. 50 odd bucks. Yeah, why not? Your kid's gonna love it. You'll love it too, maybe. Love the body. We'll have some fun outside. Well, what did you think? I was impressed, wasn't super impressed. Gets bogged down a lot, even just a little bit of grass and this thing just dies. So you're going to need to go on dirt, smooth surfaces, small inclines. Declines are easy, obviously. Good fun, yeah, proportional steering it needs and proportional speed. I wouldn't go upgrading it. I don't think it's worth doing. For a kid, 10, 12 years old, by all means, they're going to have a ball, and even an adult occasionally will have a ball. I'm going to put this one on the shelf and it'll sit there for a while. Who knows? We might upgrade it and just go crazy, and no, we're not. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, get the notification bell, that way you know when our next video comes up. And till then, have fun, and we'll see you soon with the next one.